Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Google Photos subscription on Android device. You have to start by open Play Store, and after that you need to click at your profile icon. Also make sure that you select a good account or swipe. So then, right here, you need to go to the payment and subscriptions and click at the subscriptions. And right here, you will have all your subscriptions. So you need to find Google One, or maybe you have Google Drive subscription, and then tap at the cancel subscription. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!